Health tonight. A promising cancer clinical trial at UConn Health is underway now, making this holiday season brighter for one man from Canton.
Increasingly, researchers are focused on personalized cancer treatment. News 8 medical reporter Jocelyn Mementa is here with more on the pivotal role of the body's own immune system in the fight against cancer. Jocelyn?
And Darren, we're talking about immunotherapy with the body's immune system targeting cancer cells. For Michelle Garay, it's a more healthy and joyful holiday celebration.
A collapsed lung led to a diagnosis of lung cancer. Still, it took several months before lifelong smoker Michelle Garay finally stopped smoking.
I never thought I could quit.
But radiation and chemo couldn't keep the cancer from spreading.
We have a large tumor mass involving the lower lobe of the right lung.
My breathing was very shallow. I was underweight.
With few options left, Michelle took part in a phase 1 clinical trial here at the UConn Health Neag Cancer Center, testing the safety and efficacy of combining 2 immunotherapy drugs for a handful of cancers, including head, neck, and ovarian.
I was very tired, but no real physical side effects.
The concept of immunotherapy is clearly a breakthrough.
Dr. Jeffrey Wasser is the lead investigator of the study, now in its second phase. The drugs unmask cancer cells that are able to hide from the immune system.
Using these drugs that we have, we're able to remove that invisibility cloak so that our own body's immune system can attack these tumors.
Now, more than a year after, Michelle's cancer has taken a dramatic turn.
Most recent scans show a large area of scar tissue.
Still, there is a small area of interest.
So we're keeping an eye on this. We have a sense that this is a scar tissue based on other scans and other imaging.
From somebody who was huffing and puffing to walk from one side of the house to the other, I can go up and down the stairs twice and barely be affected.
And some good breath for me now. Patients in this case are real heroes by stepping up to the plate. In some cases they benefit. In other cases, society may benefit from the knowledge that we glean from these trials.
Minor side effects of the drug combination included a rash, fatigue, joint pain. People with more severe side effects could develop complications such as diabetes and kidney disease. Now, Dr. Wasser says Michelle will likely be on the drugs until they are no longer effective. If that occurs, he is confident there will be other medications available.